Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to add node row. So if you want to add node row in Shift Architect, you can go to cat menu and click on the node pointer. So with these options, you can add for the node row. Like I will click at this point and move to the top to set the node row. Okay, to edit, you can use the selection tools, select the node row. Now you can move or you can rotate. Okay, you can move again into another area with these tools. In these points and points, you can resize the node arrows or you can rotate again by clicking on the triangle. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to add node row. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.